Welcome back. Okay, so now we'll just continue where we left off, and now first what we have to do here is that we have this UI. We have to initiate all this value. I'll do it right here. Okay, first text view, and that is title. You can write title here. Then same thing, Control D for duplicate, and this will be description. And one more thing for image view, so I'll write image view. Then this will be image. Okay, and then here we have define. Now we have to initiate the define this. So item view dot find view by id. Okay, r dot id dot, and the first one will be title. So title, oops, sorry, r dot id dot title. Okay, sometimes you won't get it, you have to type it. Okay, control T. Now I'm just gonna copy and paste all this thing. The image also copy and paste. Okay, so this is done. Now in onBind view holder, what we have to do here is we will get block item for each from the block list, and then we have to set it to this detail. Okay, so what I'll do, when we get the first block from the block list, we can set it like holder dot title dot, and then you can write set text. And what is that text you want to set, that you can get it from block list. Okay, dot get position, you will get the position of it. Then dot get title, I believe, yeah, title over here. And this is how you set the text. Now you can copy it, and for the same case, description, and then block list, all these things, then get description over here. And the last one is glide library. Since again we don't have glide library, we will have to add glide library from the this thing. Let me just see whether we have added or not. I don't remember. Okay, not this one, it's app level. So yeah, I don't think we have added. So we can come back here, and what we can do here is that we can search it here, glide library. Okay, to load the image, we are going to use glide library. Okay, so I guess it is okay. Yeah, it came, and this is what we need. Okay, you can read all this documentation, but this is all I need. And now you can come here, you can put here glide. Okay, and then paste it here, then sync. Okay, you will get the glide for this, and then you can set the image with the one line of code. Okay, so glide library is done, and now what I can do, write glide, okay, dot okay, let me just import this glide dot width, and then here you have to pass the context. What I'll do, I'll write holder dot item view dot get context. I got the context. Then you can write dot lot. Now here you have to pass the URL, and URL you will get it from this block list dot get position dot get image URL. Then where do you want to load this image? You want to load this image into that holder dot image, I believe. Yeah, holder dot image. Yep, that's all you have to do. Sorry, so I think this is done. Let me just make this public. Okay, so I think that's all we have to do in the adapter. Sorry, now in the main activity we can pass initialize the adapter here. So it is block adapter, so block adapter, and you can just define it here, and here you can define it here, but what we will do, we'll just use it in this here itself. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm first going to use this main recycle view equal to sorry, not dot set layout manager, new linear layout manager, and then pass context, which will be main activity dot this. Okay, that is done. And then main recycle view dot set has fixed size to true, you can add. Okay, once that is done, now block adapter, so block adapter equal to new block adapter, and we have to pass this block list, which we got it from here, blocks. Yeah, you can pass it here, blocks, and then that's all. Now what you can do, main recycle view dot set adapter set adapter, and then adapter 2, then block adapter. Okay, so I think that is all we have to do, but let me see, we'll run and we will check. Okay, so what will happen here is it will observe all the changes in main activity. So whenever there's a change in this list, it will update automatically here. Okay, so we are not so this block view model class is there, right? Where is that block view model? This will be once instantiated when you open the app. It will be initialized only one time. Then even if you rotate the screen, this block view model will be same only. We are not recreating new one. But in the previous case, if you don't use MVVM, then you will have to call API again, or in our case we are calling Firebase API, we have to call it again. But using MVVM model, we don't have to do that. Okay, I'll show you what I mean by that. But I think let me just let our app is running. So what you can do, come here, then we will see whether it is working or not. Okay, yep, it is working fine, and you can see we are getting laser block here. Okay, so now what is the power of MVVM? Why you are using MVVM means, if you come here, where is that repository? Yep, so this is the one where we are fetching from firebase.collection all this thing detail. Now if you let me just put one log here. Okay, log, I'll write calling, okay, Firebase, okay, Firebase, I'll write. Okay, and then here you can put anything, I guess. So Firebase, so I'll show you what I mean by MVVM. Okay, so now if I run the app, let me just close this, and you can see this in the log. Oops, this in the logs here. Okay, wow, I'm sorry guys, it is taking some time. I don't know what to do. I think it's because of phone, I guess. My PC has good RAM, but probably phone, it has to be phone. Okay, so point here is, what we'll get is this will call only once. Even if you rotate the screen, it will, while after rotating the screen, you won't see this lock here. But if you use a traditional one, as you can see, now we got this, we are getting this lock in here. Now let me just rotate the app. Where is that? I think it should be orientation, right? I think I believe this is lock. Now let me just rotate the app. Okay, I'll clear this and rotate the app. Oops. Yep, I just rotate the app and you don't see this lock. Okay, so that is the power of MVVM. Okay, see, I just rotate the app. I don't know why it is not coming up. I rotate the app, but in the lock, okay, it is coming the same way. Oops, now I don't know what just happened here. Okay, so I think that's all for the MVVM. I think you should really try it. I know you didn't understand much of from my video, but I think it's worth it. Okay, so that's all guys. So I think we will see you in the next awesome tutorial. Okay guys, see you in the next one.